so many things that we touch on when we do deep marine research like this. There's the geology, the rocks. Literally, when you go into the Challenger Deep, you are at the place where the two largest tectonic plates in the world are literally colliding into one another. And you can actually see the evidence of it, these huge boulders, these cracks. You're like, going, wow, this is the Earth like moving and causing earthquakes and tsunamis. And I'm right there. So there's the geology. There's the marine biology, where there are these creatures that unbelievably survive in 8 tons per square inch of pressure at freezing temperatures, and they're just swimming around looking for something to eat. You're going, wow, that's pretty impressive. You're also, unfortunately, I saw human contamination. So you're looking at pollution levels. We're taking samples of the water when we go up and down the whole water column. So we're getting the temperature gradients and the characterization of the water, which helps with climate models. And we're doing all sorts of things. We dove at the Titanic. We dove at another wreck to figure out why a submarine went down in the French Navy in the 1960s. We solved that mystery. There are so many things you can do. So I think one of my crew members kind of called it the marine magic carpet. You can take it anywhere in the world, which has never existed before. It can go to any depth, no problem, even in polar regions, and we can investigate any number of axes that are interesting to scientists or other observers. So it's a special vehicle that's never really existed before. Just one other point. I mean, just for example, before we started diving in 2019 with the system, there had been only 2 dives to the bottom of Challenger Deep in neither sub, the Trieste or Cameron's Deep Sea Challenger. They never dove it again because it was such a hostile environment. It kind of wrecked the subs in some respects. And then we dove it 3 times in 10 days. So this is a vehicle that can do it repeatedly, reliably, anywhere. And so it's a magic door into the 90% of the ocean that literally has never been explored.